What is up, guys? I've got quite an interesting video. Yeah, it's not really a repair, just gonna show you a little trick. Anyways, I'm gonna go into the BIOS quickly and then we check what I want to see. So we are on battery information there. There you go. So you can see it says poor, 130 watts, charging 4%. So this battery is actually charging. It's working fine, but it's poor. So what I'll do is I will connect it to the programmer. As it's going to 5% now. So I'll connect it to this battery analyzer and then we'll see what's happening with this battery. Just give me a minute to do that. Okay. So I've got a custom cable that I made so that I can be able to easily connect those over there. Okay, so I've got it connected right. Let's come to the software now. Battery information. So what I'll do is I'll say, why can't you focus? So I'll just say read all once. I don't know why it's not clear at all. I'll try to increase the brightness on the laptop. No, that didn't work. So if we take a look at the battery cycle count is only 60. So as much as this battery was designed in 2017, it was only used like 60 times. But here it's telling us that it's poor. It's on 2% health, and the capacity is actually 0%. No, it's 0%. It has to be 5% or there. I just said read capacity and read health. So that 0% was from before when I read it at first. So you can see it says compute health 2%, the capacity is 6%. So what I'll do is I will reset it. I can quickly go to reset over there. Right here, then I'll just say new reset. Read SPS, then it will give me the information about this battery. Capacity 6%, remaining capacity 6 milliamp hours, full charge capacity 100 milliamp hours. But if you check the design capacity, is actually 3684. It's telling us that the actual full charge capacity is 100. So this is very bad. This is this is 2% of that. So to fix that, because this battery has only been used 60 times, there's no way this is already poor. So all you do is you unseal the battery there. Okay, and then you can start by clearing errors. And then you read SPS one more time. Sometimes it fixes the issue. So after clearing SPS, now it's actually telling me that it's got 1%, not 6%. So what I usually do is I come here and then I edit the information. So usually I put a date like 2020 and the month is always September, which is nice. That way I will know that I actually fixed this battery or I didn't. And then over here you can edit the full charge capacity to anything. So since this has been used to like 60 times, I'll put that as 3084 instead of 3684. You just do according to, if you change the cells and put new cells, then you just put full charge capacity to maximum. So I'll write it like this. If I say read SPS, it didn't change any information. The reason being, when I unsealed it the first time and then I cleared errors, it sealed the battery. So I have to unseal it again. Okay, now I'll write it once again. We come here again and we read SPS. So you can see the information is actually changed. Okay, and the date manufacture date is now 2020, 30 September 2020. Yeah, so let's head out and go to read all once, still the same, and then when you come here the health is now 83%, capacity is 0%. So I will take this battery off from here and hook it to the laptop. There we go. Excellent. Charging 0%. There we go, 1%. Yeah, just like that. So what I'll then do is, after I've done this, I'll charge the battery to 100%, then test it out to see how long it actually lasts. If it doesn't last long, then it means I have to change the cells. But in this case, this is still a fairly new battery. It's not even swollen, nothing. It even looks as good as new. So I'm pretty sure this battery is fine. I'll just leave it like this. I'll let it charge and then test it once it's full. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you how to use this and yeah, manipulate things. Anyways, that's it for now. Cheers and goodbye.